How to replace a 2013 Kia Sorento 3-button keyless entry remote battery. Presented by SgtLocksmith. For this task you will need the following: 1 flat tip screwdriver and 1 CR2032 battery. Time to complete this task approximately 2 minutes. The SgtLocksmith channel gives no warranty and accepts no responsibility or liability for the accuracy or completeness of the information and materials contained in this video. Under no circumstances will SgtLocksmith nor Specialist C. Brown be held responsible or liable in any way for any claims, damages, losses, expenses, costs or liabilities whatsoever, including, without limitation, any direct or indirect damages for loss of profits, business interruption or loss of resulting or arising directly or indirectly from your use of inability to use this video or any videos linked to it, or from reliance on the information provided in this video. And now here's SgtLocksmith.
Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. Alright, we've got our Kia 3-button remote. You'll see the 2 on the front and the button on the back. Now with this one here, this is going to be a simple battery change. If your keys are on the key ring, go ahead and leave them on. They're not going to be in the way. Look at the top of the remote, you'll see that little indentation. Put your flat tip screwdriver in there and just rotate it. You notice how it just pops open. Easy to go. I prefer to put the remote with the emergency button up, and I'll show you why. When you open it up, it leaves the rubber piece down and the circuit board inside there. Now if you pull out your circuit board and it is sticky to the touch, go ahead and remove the rubber pieces and wash them off in warm water. Don't use no harsh chemicals, it can damage it. Now that we've got it out, you'll look at the back here. You'll see there's the 3 little tabs. Don't push on those. You're going to push the battery out through one of them. And it's a CR2032. Now, these are new remotes we're using, so I'm going to install the same battery back in. Positive side up. You slide it in. Go ahead and lay your circuit board down inside, and you'll notice it has little indentations in the rubber for it to sit in there smooth. Fold the remote over, gently squeeze it, and it should snap back together. And there you go, you've done it. And if the vehicle's not by you, when you push it, you'll notice a little red light came on up there. You're done. Hey, if you would, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if this video helped you, and thanks again for watching another SgtLocksmith video.